She's making $23,000 per month selling a Bible journal. And today I'm going to show you why this could potentially become one of your best-selling products and how people are combining products like this with Facebook to build a real online business around faith-based content. Now, obviously, we don't know this store's exact profit margins, and results like this are never guaranteed. However, based on this store's sales volume and pricing, this Etsy shop appears to be generating around $23,000 per month with this one simple Bible journal. So today, I'm going to walk you through the product, how to create it, how to market it, how to use Facebook to grow attention around it, and how I would approach this if I was starting from zero today. So let's jump straight into the main focus, which is the product. Now, personally, I completely understand why products like this are resonating with people. How many people do you know that have Bible journals, write notes in their Bible, highlight verses, or gift faith-inspired journals to people in difficult seasons? These products are more than products. They become encouragement, peace, reflection, comfort, and that overall emotional connection is exactly why this niche works so well. People now more than ever are searching for things to help them slow down, reconnect spiritually, reflect, feel grounded. And in a world where everyone is overwhelmed and distracted all the time, products like this create a great sense of peace for people. And that's why I think this niche is truly so interesting, not because it's some magical overnight success formula, but because it clearly has demand. This is one of those niches that quietly proves that there are still meaningful opportunities online for ordinary people who are willing to get creative and stay consistent. And especially now that print on demand exists, you no longer need inventory, bulk orders, warehouses, or huge startup costs. You can literally just start with ideas and content, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you today.
The first thing I would do is study products that are already selling, and I would either do that directly through Etsy. As you can see here, I have the best sellers pulled up for Bible Journal, and another place is also directly on Facebook, which I will show you in just a moment. But the idea is to study patterns, colors, and you don't want to ever copy anyone directly, but you want to get a feel for the style, right? Because success leaves clues, and if you can see a repeating style such as minimal layouts, neutral colors, soft feminine aesthetics, right? Things that people would naturally want to have around their house. So as we take a look here, you can see there's a lot of browns, natural colors. There is one with a little bit of pink and red, some greens. So you can get the overall vibe of what is actually selling. And I also like to use Etsy research tools so you can sort the top selling products in that niche and see what their revenue is for the last month. So here's a wedding Bible guest book that is doing $24,000 a month estimated. And we have tons of other different types of Bible journals that are doing upwards of $10,000 per month. We can also search prayer journal and find lots of additional options as well. And if we pop over to Facebook and look through some of the Bible Facebook pages, we can actually see right here this page called Painted Bible Promises selling hand-painted Bibles for upwards of $300. And if you go through her page, she's doing a fantastic job of sharing these products and actually selling out of them. So if you are in the faith-based niche, this is a great page to look at to understand how you can connect with this audience and provide something of value to this audience while also running a business about something that you are majorly passionate about. And her posts here are very well received by her somewhat small following. Now, once I have the concept, I'd move into Canva, or we could even use a platform like Kittl or ChatGPT to help us create the images. And again, very simple works. We saw the colors, we saw the styles that we're working over on Etsy, and I just created a very simple clean cover right here, and I just put Bible Journal, and I left a space right here for the customer to be able to customize it with a personalized name or a saying right there. This is the cover. We're going to download it and take it over to Printify. Then over on Printify, we're going to select this journal, and then I simply uploaded the front cover and the back cover. And then I'm going to add personalizable text. I was able to change the font right up here here to a handwriting style font and also change the color of the text. You want to make sure that your image is high resolution for good print, as we see right here, and then we can preview it. So here is a very simple mock-up view, and as you can see, that is absolutely gorgeous and so simple. Then we can optimize our listing with AI, and then we can go ahead and set our cost at a 40% profit margin. The production cost is going to be $9. The retail price that the customer will pay is $16. You will then get to keep a profit of $6.42. And the best thing to understand is that once this is all set up, it's going to be completely automated. So you can then just continue posting this and sharing it on Facebook. Customers can purchase, and there's nothing for you to do because Printify is going to print, pack, and ship it directly to your customer. So this is what it looks like in a free Printify pop-up shop. It's a completely free to set this up. So I'll put that link down below in the description so you can get this going. With this, there's truly no risk whatsoever. You don't need a credit card or anything. And so the customer can then click on personalize and order. And then when they type their name in the box for the customization, it automatically changes it on the mock-up here so they can see in real time what it will look like customized. And then it's added to the cart with their customization, and they are able to go ahead and check out, and then you will collect the profits. Now it's time to advertise it and build some attention around it. So this is where a lot of people fall short, but this is actually incredibly simple. I already showed you a Facebook page that is crushing it with a very small audience selling hand-painted Bibles. We can also see these types of Bible journals are selling very well on Etsy. So if you can combine Facebook with Etsy, that is when the revenue starts to 10x. So I just came over here to ChatGPT and asked it to create a lifestyle photo for me of someone actually holding this Bible journal, and then we're going to download it and take it over to Facebook. So this is just an example theme page that I set up in another video. If you need that step-by-step setup process, I will link that directly below in the description so you know how to set up a page. Then we can go ahead and post about the journal, show it in use. And so I just said something simple like, this Bible journal has really been helping me in my daily practice, and then ask a simple question to get people engaging. Do you use a journal on this journey? And once that is posted, you can then in the comments say this is where to get your Bible journal, and just link it to your Printify pop-up shop or your Etsy store. And people always want to know, well, how are you going to get sales if you have no followers? Well, it's actually way simpler than you could ever imagine to get followers. Facebook has this little advertise button right here where you can target a Christian audience to follow your page. And I have students in this exact niche getting between 2 and 3 cent followers. They're spending about $100 to get just 5,000 followers. And that is a highly targeted audience that is interested in this type of content and product. So when you do your page right, when you post the content that emotionally connects with people, and you build a community like this page has, right? They only have 3,500 followers, and they're selling lots and lots of their product to this community, and the community loves it. So once you have the attention, the possibilities are truly endless.
And this is why I talk so much about stacking income streams rather than just relying on one thing. Because now you potentially have journal sales, Facebook monetization income, affiliate income, sponsorships later on, or brand deals. This niche clearly has demand, and it is a proven business model. A lot of people massively underestimate how a simple idea like this one Bible journal listing on Etsy, how it could truly change everything. When you genuinely connect with people emotionally in a world where people are actively seeking encouragement, peace, and meaning, this business takes on a whole new level. These are not just journals. These are daily reminders of faith, hope, reflection, and personal growth. And when you combine meaningful products with consistent content, you create something much, much bigger than a random side hustle. So if you want to start creating your own journals or faith-based products, I'll leave my Printify link directly below. It's free to get started, so there's no reason to not sign up today. And if you want help with the Facebook side, growing the page, monetization, content strategies, and building multiple income streams online, you can check out my full mentorship program down below. You don't need to start perfectly, you just need to start. I'm here to help and support you on your journey. I am so looking forward forward to your success. Make it an amazing day. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.